The Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5 is not just another car. It is a statement of raw power, aggressive styling, and a perfect balance between modern technology and iconic muscle heritage. The first impression of this machine comes from its exterior presence, finished in a striking matte white shade that instantly sets it apart. Every line, curve, and aerodynamic element has been carefully designed to give it an unmistakable stance. The black carbon fiber aero kit highlights the wide-body look, while the bold splitter, side skirts, and massive rear diffuser remind you that this car is built with performance at its core. The illuminated RTR grille with its signature glow paired with sharp LED headlights creates a futuristic yet intimidating front face, ensuring the Mustang dominates the road both day and night. From the side, the aggressive 3/4 profile reveals a wide and muscular posture. The flared fenders, racing-inspired wheels, and hood vents emphasize the strength of the design. The large rear wing not only adds to the visual drama but also improves aerodynamics for high-speed stability. At the back, the tri-bar LED taillights glow with a modern twist on Mustang tradition, while the quad exhaust system delivers a thunderous growl that perfectly matches the performance it hides beneath the hood. Every angle of the exterior showcases a fine blend of heritage and innovation, making the Mustang RTR Spec 5 a true modern muscle beast. Step inside, and the interior continues the aggressive yet luxurious theme. The cockpit is designed with the driver at its center, wrapping around with a fighter jet-inspired layout. Black leather and Alcantara sport seats hold you firmly in place during high-speed maneuvers, while white contrast stitching and the RTR logo add subtle touches of exclusivity. The digital instrument cluster is bright and customizable, giving drivers the latest in performance data, navigation, and connectivity at a glance. A carbon fiber dashboard and a flat-bottom steering wheel further enhance the racing-inspired feel. Ambient LED lighting across the cabin adds to the modern personality, creating a space where comfort and adrenaline perfectly coexist. The interior does not just complement the car's exterior aggression, it elevates it. Open the hood, and the Mustang RTR Spec 5 reveals its true heart. The engine bay is a masterpiece of engineering, with every component placed for maximum performance and efficiency. Carbon fiber strut braces, visible turbo components, polished metallic piping, and advanced cooling systems make the engine as visually impressive as it is powerful. The meticulous detailing ensures that everything from bolts to hoses is highlighted with perfection. The Mustang's power plant is designed to deliver explosive acceleration, razor-sharp response, and a thrilling driving experience that makes every journey unforgettable. Performance is not just about straight-line speed but also about control and precision. The Mustang RTR Spec 5 achieves this with a finely tuned suspension setup, improved aerodynamics, and advanced braking systems. Whether carving through mountain roads, dominating at the track, or simply making a presence on city streets, this machine feels alive in the driver's hands. The sound of the quad exhaust, the feel of the steering, and the instant power under the pedal come together to create an experience that few cars in the world can replicate. The Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5 is more than a vehicle. It is the rebirth of muscle in a modern age, bringing together aggression, beauty, and performance in one package. From its head-turning design to its luxurious yet sporty interior and its beastly engine, it represents the perfect harmony of art and engineering. It is not just meant to be driven, it is meant to be experienced, celebrated, and remembered as a true icon of the road.